Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about 7 stocks which are going to give highly tradable opportunity in the month of April. See, I used to give a set of stocks every month before the month opens. Stocks those who are most tradable and most profit giving opportunity. In this video, I'm going to give 7 stocks which are going to give most tradable opportunity as well as investment too. I just read out the stock names, and also at the end of this video I put the name of the stocks in a slide. Let us start one by one. I have a snapshot for you. The first stock I consider for the month of April is Alchem Lab. The Alchem Lab is recently closed at a price of 2648. It has a range of 300 plus and 300 minus from this particular closing price. So one can consider this Alchem Lab for trading as well as investment. And the second stock, the recently listed IPO Kalyan Jewellers. Though the Kalyan Jewellers IPO was not a stellar listing, this stock has a potential to go up to 92 rupees. The current closing price of Kalyan Jewellers is 74. It may even go below 67 and 64. Never mind. Just track this stock. Kalyan Jewellers will give more tradable opportunity in the month of April. Throughout the month, you can make back and forth trading with this stock, like going long and going short sell. And the next stock in this category, Alembic Pharma. Alembic Pharma is recently coming to the futures and option. Alembic Pharma is a silent stock. The current market price is around 935 rupees. This 935 rupees is not an affordable price for investors. Even some passive and conservative investors can wait when a stock comes to a level of 840 or so. The Alembic Pharma is a silent stock. We can make few tradings with this stock in the month of April. Don't rely on this stock throughout the month. This stock is also give some sizable profit, but only a limited opportunities there. The next stock is my favorite stock, Titan Company Limited. The Tata's Titan, as closing at a price of 1505. The 1505 is a good price. Even it may go around 1460 level, it may bounce back drastically. And if this stock is moving the positive direction from 1505, it may even go to 1600 or 1580 level. But as far as the F&O is concerned, both derivative as well as option is concerned, the Titan stock will give a moderate gain throughout the month. So one can consider the Titan stock for trading as well as investment in the month of April. And the next stock in this list is Tata Motors. Tata Motors is a very good stock. The Tata Motors recently opened a good movement on the first day of futures and option. I mean to say that the first day of F&O April series, it made a open low and showed a very positive signal. The Tata Motors closed at a price of 296 last week. Tata Motors can be considered for trading as well as investment. This may go to the next level, say about 314. And even if the market is good, if the stock is good, yeah, all parameters are good, and supporters are picking up this particular stock, it is not hesitating to move to reach 357, the earlier high. And coming to the next stock, it is M&M Finance, Mahendra and Mahendra Finance. This stock is my favorite stock in F&O. This M&M Finance closed at a price of 207. This stock is also a very tremendous stock to be considered in the month of April F&O series. So those who want to make money in futures and option can consider this M&M Finance. And finally, we have one stock, one pharma stock, Dr. Lalpath Lab. The Lalpath Lab closed at a price of 2,590. 2,590 is an affordable price for investors. Investors can park some portion of money in their stock. Traders can also trade along with the direction of the stock for speculative short-term trading. So these seven stocks will make you to make money to some extent. In these seven stocks, in equity segment, I prefer Kalyan Jewellers first, both going long and going short selling. And for F&O side, I prefer Titan and Tata Motors and M&M Finance. These three stocks will make you some massive gain in the market, especially in the option segment. So if at all you want to make massive money like double money profit, triple money profit, mini jackpot and jackpot profit, you can subscribe to our Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. The subscription details are given on our website. I also put the detail in the comment box. And suppose you want to join our premium WhatsApp group, you can contact this WhatsApp number only by text message. We'll reply accordingly. Thank you very much. Please extend your support to this channel. I'm Vijay.